All right, guys, so week 3, we're working on shoulder mobility, okay? So we're gonna start with our lacrosse ball rolling. So we're gonna start it right up in that upper trap area for that upper trap first rib mobilization. We're gonna be laying down with that ball right underneath us, and then we're just working on taking that arm up. You can work on snow angels, and then what we're doing is we're gradually just working that right down the inside part of the shoulder blade to the tip of the shoulder blade. We're going to then come on the side and get that right in the armpit there. Okay, couple of variations. If you can, get that arm up overhead, and remember we're working back and forth over that. If that's too much on the shoulder, drop your arm down to the side and you can still work into that tissue. And same thing, we're just slowly working that right down the outside part of the shoulder blade, kind of that big meaty area in there. Stability wise, we're going to work on our weight or kettlebell holds. So we're going to start in our Turkish get up position here, and what we're doing is elbows locked out. We're rotating that, so if you got the kettlebell, it's going to be a little bit harder. We get that external rotation, so the thumb is pointing up overhead, and we let that shoulder just sink right into place. So we're trying to hold this for at least a minute, up to 2 minutes, okay? When we get there, so in between, take a break. So don't try to roll right into the next one. So do a minute, take a break, and then what we're going to do is we're going to roll onto your side. Keep that weight kettlebell in the same square on the ceiling there, and then let that shoulder sink in. So elbows locked out, letting that shoulder sink in. You should feel that shoulder blade nice and tight. Same thing, try to hold for a minute to 2 minutes. Come down, take a break. When you roll out of that, roll back onto your back and bring that down nice and safely. And then lastly, everyone loves them, we're going to work on our side planks. Okay, so we can add in some extra movement if we want, or you can just work on holding that position. I want everyone to be able to hold it for a full minute by the end of this week. All right, email me with any questions, and good luck.